Here I've got ELEPHONE C1 Max, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to locate and open Backup and Reset, which is here, and now go to Backup My Data. Now you can smoothly activate this feature by tapping on this switcher, and that's it. Now let's go back, as it's time to activate your Google account. So let me click on Backup Account, and then click on Add Account to log in with yours or just to create a new one. So if you are a new user, you have to create your account, smoothly click here and then follow the steps presented there. And if you already have your Google account, just log in using your email or phone number. And I will use my email address, which is HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com. And then click on Next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And just wait a second, because I think I added some unnecessary letters, but now it should be okay. So once the password is entered, click on Next. And then click on I agree. And this is it. As you can see, your automatic backup is activated. Click on Next to finish the whole process. And now you can be patient, because your data is saved, as it will be backed by Google. So that will be all. This is how you can add your backup account to ELEPHONE C1 Max. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.